Hello, I'm Becky Gammon. I'm the Assistant Director of Nursing and Patient Experience, and we're here today at Bethel Baptist Church in Pontyclun as part of our wider engagement events and International Nurses Day. Today we've been working with our community of Cymraeg Morgannwg to do some health promotion and choking child, basic life support, as well as doing storytelling with our toddlers.
Hi, my name's Rhiannon and we've had a lovely morning today at Bethel Babies. We've had Cymraeg Morgannwg Health Board here with us today, teaching us new mums about CPR and how to treat our little ones in case of emergency.
Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm the children's worker here at Bethel Baptist Church, and it's been great today to have Cymraeg Morgannwg here to help us with some information on choking hazards and CPR. It's been absolutely great for all of the parents and all the grandparents to just have that helpful information, and it's just been a fab morning, and we look forward to partnership with them in the future.